Early voting in Ohio gets underway this morning at 8. In Cuyahoga County, roughly 140,000 voters have already asked for an absentee ballot over the last few months. Today, they hit the mail.
We do get calls from people asking where their ballot is, but by law, we can't send it out till 28 days before the election.
Vote by mail makes the voter's life easier, but it also makes the candidate's job easier as well, because once you request a ballot, that's public information, and the campaigns know it.
Most campaigns now do what are called chasers, where they send out information about their candidate the moment they find out from a board of elections that someone has requested an absentee ballot.
Early voting hours are 8 to 5, Monday through Friday through October 26th, with expanded hours in the final week leading up to the election. For the E-Team, I'm John Kasich.